They're not bad, but they definitely give Miss Frizzle. It do give Miss Frizzle, but y'all go pick y'all up some. Y'all already know what time it is. We have a paid promotion. We got a paid promotion. I don't know how to say the name, but it's some glasses company. ZEELOOL. Y'all see the name. Anywho, we have some glasses. These are, I don't even know what they look like. Okay. This was a surprise glasses or whatever. Like I said, I do not know what it looked like. And then they sent this little DR ruler. I don't know what that is. I got that. And got a little $7 code. Y'all, I'm finna be looking like Miss Frizzle. I do like that they come with the eyeglass case that is, you can wipe your eyeglasses off with this. I like that because who can carry the little cloth? I lose the little cloth. Let me get these things right. They look like Miss Frizzle though. I'm not gonna lie to you. They really look like Miss Frizzle, but let's see what it's giving. Why they play with me like this? They're not bad, but they definitely give Miss Frizzle. I feel like I'm on the Magic School Bus. They're different. They gotta grow on me. But I like them. I don't know. I think with the right outfit, they'll be fire. With the right outfit, they'll be fire. But it's not given with the black. That's what it is. But I fool with you. I mean, shit, you know. I fool, you know, go see what y'all like over there. I'm gonna go see that with my $7 code, see what I can do. And we're gonna talk about this, okay? But y'all go pick y'all some. But yeah, it do get Miss Frizzle, but y'all go pick y'all some. I think we're gonna have to talk about this glasses though. I tried to let them pick what they want, but I think that I don't know what happened. He must be some, I don't know. Next time I'm pick my own glasses. How about that? Cause I normally do, but I just want to see what they was gonna do. And the shape is there. It's the color. It got to grow on me. It's giving Dr. Seuss. It's giving preschool teacher, elementary. I'm telling you, I'm driving that school bus right now with these glasses on, but I can see Jesus. That's all that matters. Y'all go shop with them. Y'all go shop and sign up with your email. Y'all can get a code. Whoop, whoop, boom. Y'all go get some.